Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change your name on Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Let's open our Threads application. Then go to your profile by tapping on this little icon in the bottom right. As you can see here, my name is Masked Wolf, and below that is my Threads account username. Let's tap on this edit profile button right here, and if I click on my name on the page, it's going to give me this little pop-up which says your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed here. So the company that makes both Instagram and the new Threads application has decided to link both of your profiles, and you cannot change the names. Independently for now, you can't have one name in the Threads app and another name on your Instagram profile. In order to change the name, we want to click on this little Instagram icon right here. It will open our Instagram profile in the Instagram application on our device. We will have to change our name on our Instagram profile, and it will be automatically changed in the Threads app. We do that by clicking on this Edit Profile button here. Then you want to tap on the name option, and you can delete your name and change it to whatever you want. When you do that, you can click on Done, and the name will be updated on your Instagram profile as well as your Threads account. There is no other way for now, and you can't change them independently. They have to be the same on both platforms, but maybe they will give us an option to change them without changing the other. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.